Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video so I could update you as soon as possible on a fantastic change that Desmos just made. So what they've done now is they've created a way for you to manage your classes. So now instead of having to scroll through the millions of activities that you might be using, you can actually assign kids to a class period, and then you can assign certain activities to certain classes to help organize everything for you. So to kind of show you how to do that, if you go to teacher.desmos.com and you are in your Desmos account, and I see my name up there, so I know I'm here. Now down the left-hand side, they have a place for you to manage classes. And when you click on that, obviously there's nothing there yet because you have not created any classes, but you can do this now. So the way you can add classes is I'm going to click up here to add new class. And I'm going to say, all right, I have algebra first period, add a class. Let's say I have algebra period 2, add a class. I teach geometry period 3, add a class. You kind of get the idea. So now, when you click on manage your classes, here are the 3 classes that you have. You can have students actually log into that specific class period so that you have each kid where they're supposed to be. So you can do this a couple ways. Number one, you can click on this class code and you can have students go to student.desmos.com, type this in, and that's not going to take them to an activity to complete. That's going to log them into your class so that you actually have a student in there. You also can, if you click these 3 dots, oh, no, just kidding. Sorry. So learning the ways of it. If you click on where it says 0 students, you can take this code right here. You can copy it, and then you can put it in your Schoology or wherever you want to put it so that students can access this link. And then I copied it. If I go to another window, I paste it. This is what students will see. And it will ask them to join. And when they click join, they will actually join the class. So now I have 1 student in there. So you can get all of your students to log in there. Now, when you want to go in and actually assign it to a class, if I go to some of my activities, let's say this is the activity that I want my students to work on. Now, instead of creating a class code, I can click assign and I can choose what period I want to assign it to. Then, when I go back to manage my classes, I now see that activity in there. And there's 1 student in there. No one has done it yet. So this is a great way for me to organize everything so that, again, I don't have to search through a million different activities to find the ones that kids have completed. I hope this is helpful. And again, if you have any questions or need any help, please email me at krbookbinder@henrico.k12.va.us.